If you've been on the hunt for a reliable dash cam that gives you clear footage day and night, while also providing extra features like hands-free voice control and real-time GPS tracking, you might just want to stop and pay attention. Today, we're diving into the REDTIGER F4 Pro 4K dash cam. With a range of powerful features and a reputation for reliability, this camera promises to be more than just a typical dash cam. Let's break it down. The REDTIGER F4 Pro is a dual-channel dash cam that records in 4K for the front and 1080p for the rear, ensuring you capture every detail of your drive, whether it's a scenic road trip or the everyday commute. Thanks to the STARVIS 2 sensor, the camera excels in low-light conditions, offering superior night vision for clear, crisp footage even in the dark. That's a huge plus for anyone worried about visibility in nighttime driving situations. One standout feature here is the voice control system. With simple hands-free commands, you can capture footage or manage settings without taking your hands off the wheel. This is perfect for keeping your focus on the road. Plus, the 2.2-inch touchscreen makes navigating through menus and reviewing footage incredibly simple. The REDTIGER F4 Pro also supports 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6, providing faster download speeds and a smoother user experience. The built-in GPS tracks your route, location, and speed, so you have all the details you need in case of an incident. And with the ability to use the REDTIGER Cam app, it's easy to download, share, and even update firmware without ever needing to connect your camera to a computer. When it comes to storage, the F4 Pro includes a free 128GB memory card, giving you plenty of space for continuous 4K recording. Loop recording ensures that footage never runs out, overwriting the oldest files as needed. This means that whether you're on a daily commute or a long road trip, you'll never miss critical footage. For added peace of mind, the F4 Pro offers dual-mode parking monitoring. In collision lock mode, the camera uses a G-sensor to detect impacts and saves the footage. In time-lapse mode, the camera captures footage at intervals, conserving storage while still keeping an eye on your vehicle. However, it's worth noting that parking monitoring requires a separate hardwire kit. Pros: exceptional 4K front recording and 1080p rear recording. STARVIS 2 sensor provides excellent night vision. Hands-free voice control adds convenience. Fast Wi-Fi 6 for quicker downloads and app functionality. Built-in GPS tracks route, speed, and location. Includes a 128GB memory card for ample storage. Dual-mode parking monitoring adds security even when parked. Cons: parking monitoring requires a separate hardwire kit for full functionality. No mention of long-term reliability or any reported issues, though the brand's reputation is solid. Value for money. At its price point, the F4 Pro delivers strong value. It combines high-end features like 4K recording, voice control, and parking monitoring with a solid build quality. The inclusion of a 128GB memory card is a bonus, and the app integration makes managing footage a breeze. In terms of competitors, you'll find models that are cheaper or offer different features, but the combination of 4K recording, GPS, and Wi-Fi 6 in this price range is tough to beat. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution, this is definitely a strong contender. So, who is this camera for? If you want a reliable dash cam with clear footage, intuitive controls, and solid parking security, the F4 Pro is a great choice. It's ideal for everyday drivers and anyone who values security and ease of use. Verdict: strong option. If you value high-quality video capture, quick downloads, and enhanced night vision, the REDTIGER F4 Pro is one of the strongest dash cams you can get. It combines the features that matter most to drivers, all while delivering excellent performance. If this breakdown is helpful and you're ready to cruise with the latest tech, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you stay in the fast lane with fresh reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your drive smooth with Autovated.